How do you know when to charge your NEXA? On the dash, you have the bars and you have your voltage. So if you can see there, that's 77.6 volts. This is a 72 volt system, which means it will charge up to 82 or 84 volts when it's completely charged. This is going to go down and fluctuate as you drive. You want to watch these bars. With the lead acid versions, your top speed is going to get slower and slower as it drains. For the voltage, I think once you get to 60 volts, 58 at the very lowest, it's time to charge. And with your voltage going down, you're also going to see the bars go down as well. But I also like to count kilometers. So once you get to 50, 60 kilometers, I also think that's a good time to charge. It's going to take, 300-400 kilometers to get to know where you drive, how much you need, and then how much it's going to charge. You can top it up if you need to, but you should you should drive for, 30, 40 kilometers if you can before you charge up. It's unique to everybody, but the voltage is what you want to keep an eye on.